G'day, this is ADV Rider. Today we're going to be fitting an ARX Gen 7 Rally Replica tower to my Suzuki DR650. Now, full disclosure, this tower was given to me. No instructions, no pressure to make videos, promote it, anything like that. No affiliate links, no kickbacks. I was just given the tower, so thank you very much to ARX. So let's have a look at what we've got. So all I've done is taken the parts out of the box. They do come pre-assembled like this, which saves a lot of time trying to work out what length bolts goes in what holes, what spaces, all that stuff. So this is our mounts. This will mount up to the frame of the bike. This is where our tower mounts. So a lovely headlight. This is the Rally Replica tower. There's an Enduro Replica tower as well. So this is our tower. It comes with a long cable to get power from the battery going through a fused relay that will power up this fuse block. So it already has the headlights, charger plugged in, has a couple of spare terminals for any accessories. I'll be plugging heated grips into it. So that's our charger there. We have spare holes for any switches. I'll be putting my heated grip switch in there. That is our mount for speedo, any navigation gear. And then we have the screen. I have a custom decal of mine. There are plenty to choose from on the website. Alright, let's get stuck into it. Remove the seat. Remove the fuel tank. Righto, I am going to disconnect the battery so I don't short anything out. Remove the headlight. We've got 3 screws for the cowling. So the headlight's 4 bolts. 2 there, 2 there. So blinkers, where are you plugged in there? Now the tricky bit, removing these brackets, you've actually got to slide the fork tubes down, pull them out, fork tubes back in. Bit of a pain, but you gotta do it. Righto. Our bracket removed. Come on, back up. So I've just fitted the Trail Tech Vapor dash and a phone mount. You can see these hole patterns. That'd be for popular dashes, I'd imagine, speedos. Navigation units, that's what all these would be for. For the time being, I'm just going with the phone mount. I might yeah, I'll probably change to something a bit more fancy later. Just pushed my my rocker switch in. That's for heated grips. Oh yeah, time to start getting things mounted up. So we remove this, what do you call that? Wiring harness holder. It's got an arrow pointing forward, so you know which way it goes. That's handy. So on our right side, we want to remove this coil too. There we go. Alright, that's one side. So I've actually just found a bolt that's about 5mm longer, just to make up for that slack. I've only got 2 though, so I'm going to put one of those either side, and I'll get another 2 to replace them. Now these ones are definitely going to be too short to go through your coil. Yep, seems to be pulling up alright. It looks like there's another hole right there. I'm going to stick a bolt in that as well. So next up we've got the tower. So I'll remove these. So I'm just going to nip that up a little bit. Let's get this bottom front one in. Rightio, that's the bolts in. So I've got everything in place now. Yeah, I've got the tower in place, I've got everything connected. We've got our cable going back to the relay here. Switch wire. Yeah, so we're just about done. I've tightened the bolts up, I worked from the back, moved my way forward. Got all my cabling plugged in, and I've just left this loose so I can adjust it. So that's fully forward. Probably around there somewhere. I could read that, and I can still see it when I'm standing. Alright, we'll lock that in. I can always adjust it. These blinkers I put on I think are going to be short when I put the screen on, but they can be changed later. Yeah, so far the hardest bit's just been trying to run those cables and get them neat, which I don't think I've done a great job of. There. Alright, I'll lock that up, then we'll get the screen on. We're nearly done. Tower's on, screen's on. Plastic is off. So I've just got to put the tank and seat back on, and I'm going to change this guard while I'm at it. Yeah, we may as well complete the makeover, and then we'll go for a ride. Well, loving the map. Hey guys, I'm loving the tower. Looks unreal. Good having that map up there. You can see it straight away. That is just Google Maps on my phone. I will look at getting a better navigation system, but for now that's going to do the job. Any recommendations? I'm all ears. Well, that is it. I'm really happy with that. The black guard sets it off. Really happy I did that. Right, I'm going to call that a success. I'm really happy with the tower. It looks great. It's functional. 100k an hour, keeping the wind off me. And I can't see any issues off-road. So what I see a lot with the standard headlight, people put extra screens on it for wind protection and they end up hitting their head on it. There's no problems with this one. Awesome. So thank you very much to ARX for the tower. It is awesome. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I shall see you next time.